How to fix Wizz App Not Working. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your Wizz app is not working, I'm going to show you some solutions that is going to fix this problem. Step 1 is to update your application. For that, you want to open up your Play Store and then on the search box, search for Wizz App. If you find the update button, tap on it to update the Wizz application to the latest version. This is going to fix the bugs of this application and also give you new features. If updating the application does not fix your issue, you want to head over to your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, find the Wizz app and then you want to tap on the storage option. Tap on clear cache to clear the cache of this app, then tap on clear data, tap on the delete option. Once all the data and cache of Wizz app has been cleared, you want to open the Wizz app and log into your account and check if it works. If that doesn't fix your issue, you simply want to uninstall the application. Now head over to Play Store or App Store and then install the Wizz application on your device again. After that, you want to log into your account and check, and that should resolve your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.